What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and installation of the Govee smart strip light for my car. So as you guys can see right now, I'm inside the car, so I'm just going to unbox it, let you guys see this product. So guys, this is the smart strip light that I purchased on Amazon. So I also put a link in the description if you guys want to pick up one of these. So I'm going to just unbox it right now and let you guys see what's inside the product. So as you can see right here, there are a lot of features, so I'm going to show you guys right now. I hope you don't mind my lighting. It's night and it's kind of dark and I'm still recording this video. So I'm going to show you guys right now the package. So guys, the product come in this box. As you can see right there, the Govee sign right there, RGB car LED strip light, and it come with the Govee home app, 16 million colors, colorful lighting, adjust brightness, so you can also DIY it, scene mode, music mode, and it's also safe to use for your car. So I'm just gonna pull it out now guys. So as you guys can see right here, this is a LED strip right here, and this part right here plug into your cigarette lighter, and this part right here is a remote control. So you got like a sticky thing at the back as well, and also you have the user manual right here. Right here, got some screw. I don't think I'm going to use this though. And in the package guys, you have some tie strap. So that's it in the pack right there, as you guys can see. So this is the user manual. You got a Govee card right here. So you basically can scan this to install the app on your phone to control it. So what I want to do right now guys, I want to install one right here, one over here on the driver's side, and I'm going to install one behind the driver's seat. So let me turn on this light so you guys can see right here. So I'm going to install one behind the driver's seat right here. So I'm just going to map it out to let you guys see how it's been done. So guys, in the user manual book you can see a layout right there in which you can install it. So you can see that one right there on the driver's seat, one behind the driver's seat, one for the front seat right there, and the layout right there in the middle, as you guys can see. So that's how I'm going to install it for this car. So guys, I basically pull them out right now, so I'm going to test it to see if it's working. So I plug it right here in my cigarette lighter right there. I press the light, as you guys can see it's working. So you can use this to turn it off. This recovery button right here, you can press it there, and you can also use the app right here to control it, the remote. So you can use it to turn it off as well. So I'm going to install it right now guys. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to install the one here behind the driver's seat first. So as you can see, I pull my lens from around here, so I'm going to install this one right here onto this right here, and then as you guys can see that this right also attached to it. So we have two pieces. I'm going to run this now through right here to the front. So I'm going to install this right here on the ear, like stick on right here on the driver's seat. So to basically install it guys, I'm going to take off this tape right here from off of this LED light strip. So guys, as you can see, I have my one stick on right here under the driver's seat, behind the driver's seat right there. So I'm just going to fix up this card management when I finish, so don't mind that. So I'm going to run this card now to the front, this one now to the front. Alright guys, so I install the next one right there, as you can see, under the steering wheel in the driver's seat front. So as you can see right there, but what you want to do guys, ensure that you install it and you don't, ensure that when you install it you don't block this right here. So I'm gonna just tie up this card with the tie strap over here and run the card inside right here in this passage down to the back, so you guys are not gonna see this card visible. And then guys, as you can see, I'm putting the card right under this spot right here. I must hide it under this plastic. Hiding the card under this plastic right here. So I'm gonna tuck it inside so you won't see it. So guys, I have finished installing the one under this driver seat right here, under this driver's side. So I'm gonna go on now on the left side of the car to install this other light strip right here. Now the same procedure for this side, so I'm just gonna do it off camera and show you guys the finished touch when this is fully installed. All right guys, so I finished installed it right there. As you guys can see, those are the light behind the back. As you can see, a bit of light right there showing. So and that's how it look inside the front right there, guys. I'm gonna change different color to see you guys, let you guys see how it's look. It's looking very good so far, guys. I'm gonna tidy up the cable management a bit so you guys can see this clearly. So guys, I'm gonna change I'm gonna install a remote right side of driver's seat right here. That's the passenger, and the driver can change it as well. So I'm just gonna change different color, you guys can see right there, different color light. It's looking good so far, guys. Different color fit right here. So light at the back as well. So that's how I look from behind, guys, from the passenger seat in the back. That's a still light right there, as you guys can see. It's looking pretty good, right? So I give the car a different look, understand? So it's a bright light right there. So I love it, guys. Behind the passenger seat right there, you guys can see there's some light as well. So that's how it's looking, understand? So hope you guys like this. Remember, guys, the link are in the description that you guys can look at if you want to purchase one of these. Yeah, looking good. Okay guys, so I've completed this video right here. As you guys can see, it is well installed under the hood right there, the Govee smart strip light, and it's looking pretty cool with all these light colors. I am going to go on my phone and I'm going to see if I can change some of the light in different mode, but for now I'm just going to use the remote right here to change into different colors, so you guys can see. So I can keep it in on blink, I can stop it from blink, and I can use this change different light mode and light color. So hope this video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, I see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for more content like this.